Hello and welcome to a website, and today I'm going to show you the site kit from Google. This is the analytics option and as you can see it's quite popular, 700,000 installations. It is by Google and it lets us actually add the analytics process directly onto the site, which is really helpful for getting data about the customer usage of the website and also telling us all about what's going on. It's a process that takes a little bit of time to install, and I'm happy to do that for customers. I do that on a regular basis for many of the businesses that we deal with, and this helps us develop the whole process. So you have to actually verify it, which isn't a problem because normally you'll have the necessary email and you're actually doing it directly from the site that you may have operating. So as we go through the process, you'll see that it's a fairly simple process. The verification process actually involves a code that we will insert into the platform, and that way it'll take on board all the information that we might have. So the process used to be a lot more complicated, so it is a relief when it is simpler and that we can now see site kit is there. So the plugin is installed and it can be installed into all your WooCommerce products to give you the analytic data. You can see it's connected to the Search Console, AdSense, PageSpeed, Insights. Once we've got the connection system there, we can just go through this process here. Doesn't take long. I would estimate probably when you set up the site kit, it could be done within a matter of minutes. It's the simplest process, one of the simple processes. Doesn't require lots of complicated things to integrate into your site. And you can see I'm now configuring the actual properties to do with the site, and this all helps within the process. You can now see it's connected. So Search Console is connected, the Connect service is to AdSense. If I want to add the Connect service on PageSpeed Insights to show me how fast the site is working, I can also do that from this same console. And it'll start gathering data fairly quickly. You can add additional pages of information here as well, which is really helpful. You can set up what's called funnels, and that will be further information I'll provide in due course. The analytical data, which is the very, very important aspect of this whole process. Again, this will be coming up shortly. Now it will take time for this data to be collected. It's a process that takes time, and the results you'll see as you see the posts evolve on a regular basis. So there you go, folks. That's the setting up of Google Site Kit, and hopefully that's helped you in an understanding of what you'll actually be able to do to set up the process. Thank you.